It's springtime and everything's coming up roses. I'm Trisha Morris. Let's take a look at the brand new card kit from Club Scrap. Every card maker loves beautiful quality papers. So in the Coming Up Roses card kit, you're going to find 2 text weight prints that feature all kinds of beautiful florals and some script in the background. And you'll also receive 2 each of 4 different colors. We have a lovely orange here, a nice warm red, a light brown, and a dark brown. I know a lot of card makers love to stamp, but if that's not you, we've got you covered. Our kit includes 2 12x12 printed cut-aparts. They contain the outer and inner sentiments for a dozen cards. As you're designing your cards, you're going to have lots of ribbon to work with. Your kit includes this gold-edged red satin, 2 yards of ivory satin, and a nice brown grosgrain, plus a sheet of gold dazzle stickers that feature roses, 4 ivory silk rosettes, 4 scallop edge tags, and a set of super smooth ivory envelopes, 4 each of 3 sizes. And that's a beautiful kit, but what's even better about Club Scrap kits is they include instructions that you can download and print and follow along. I've got a video workshop, so I will hold your hand as we go through the process of making all 12 cards together. Our first set of 4 cards are really fun. They're a gate-folded card with a belly band that slides off. You can see I had a lot of fun with the bow here. So slide that off, and there we have a cute little sticker dazzle. A little birdie told me it was your birthday. Open it. And I was like, whoa, a talking bird. And plus I have this really fun interactive pop-up on the inside. And again, we will make that together and we'll make 4 of these cards. Then we'll make a set of these standing box cards. What I love about these is that they mail perfectly flat. Even though they have that rosette on the top, it's nice and flat. We're using that ivory ribbon, and then it opens and it has plenty of room to write in the back, and the card stands up nicely for display. And again, it flattens out, perfect for mailing. Lastly, we'll make a gorgeous set of 5x7 simple single fold cards. And the feature technique here is the 9 little squares we'll add to the card, with some of them having the print featured. And then we're using that scalloped edge tag to highlight a circular cut apart along with the sentiment on the front. And of course, everything is decorated on the inside as well. And because those envelopes are included, just pop these cards into the envelope. They'll be ready to go at a moment's notice. You are going to love it. So grab your Coming Up Roses card kit from Club Scrap, and I look forward to seeing you in class.